Hi, this is David with Stress Free Property Management, and the purpose of this video is just to explain how we keep you informed of maintenance. When I talk to owners over the years, a really big complaint is that they would get their owner statement from these other management companies, and there would be a number of different repairs that are shown on the statement that they weren't told about. So this is a really big deal. So I've tried to spend the last 6 years working on things like this to try to make us more accountable to you as the owner and keep you more informed, as well as the tenant. So in this particular example, we classify repairs when they are reported to us by the tenant as either minor or major, and the difference is $250. So if it's $250 or less, it's a minor repair. If it's $250 or more or above $250, it's a major. So anything on minor repairs, you're going to get an email from us the same day that we are told. And this will be obviously before we get out to do the work. So if it's under warranty, or you have a buddy that does AC or plumbing or whatever, and you want to have them handle it, no problem. But if we don't hear from you, obviously we're just going to go ahead and just take care of the repair and just deduct it from your reserve amount. If it's more than $250, which is a major repair, then we're going to attempt to call you and get your written permission. And most of the time we can. Just, obviously sometimes you do go on vacation or are sick. But we're definitely going to reach out to you. Plus, you're going to get the same email notifying you of this major repair. And typically when we reach out to you for these major ones, we're going to give you an estimate in advance, just so you know what roughly you're going to be paying. And that generally makes owners pretty happy. So hopefully that makes sense when it comes to keeping you informed. The whole goal obviously is just to give you that extra bit of peace of mind, so you know that we're not out spending your money on things that you don't want to be spent on. Oh, and one extra point I want to mention, we've recently set up the ability to send you pictures of the work after it's done. So you'll get notification when it's completed, and so will the tenant. And so you can see what it looked like before and what it looked like after, and that way you have a good feel for what was actually done. So anyway, hopefully that makes sense. Thank you.